Hiding in the belly fat, part 4. Hey, this is Bronwen Oehlschlager, and we are talking about what's hiding in the belly fat. And really, this is a journey to living life free of emotional eating and loving yourself slim. And so what we're talking about today is one of 46 things. This is the 4th thing on the list I've got here. One of 46 things that are stored in the belly fat area. And this could be true for you, or it may just inspire you to go, oh, that's not exactly right, but this is. So write that down on your list of things you want to get rid of, because we are going to erase and replace, and that's the whole point. Thing number 4 that may be stored in the belly fat is worrying about others. So this may show up in a lot of different ways. You may be like super worried about what somebody else is doing with their life. This is probably going to be the most common. You're so worried about them. They're doing such terrible things with themselves. They're doing such horrible things to themselves. And maybe they're doing horrible things to someone else, and you sit and stew and stew and stew. And this is just hurting you. So it's time to get rid of this and allow that person is having their own experience. There's really nothing you can do about it anyway, and worrying about them is only hurting you. You can't change somebody else so that you can be happy. It doesn't work that way. You can influence them with love. That's true. To the level where they are coming from. But, worrying about them and fussing and hurting yourself, and maybe even going to the level where you're trying to manipulate them with your worry, that's not serving them or you. So I invite you to just flick that, argue with it until you find the thing that's really going to serve you instead, that really helps you find peace, because consciously you do know better. Consciously you know better, and this stuff is just stuck in the body, and your body's telling you that it's ready to release it, and it wants to believe something new. So grab something new that feels better, put it on, and allow yourself to be at peace, recognizing that you can't change anybody else. You can only change you and your own feelings, and the thing that you have the most power over in the world are your thoughts and your feelings. Try that on and see if you feel better. Thanks for watching. I'm super excited about this series. I hope that you're having a good time with it. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell, because we have more coming. And if you want to comment, I would love to hear about your aha moments. I mean, really, we're going down the rabbit hole. What else did you find? Maybe it will serve somebody else who's reading the comments. So pop it in there. Aha moments, awesomeness. We totally want to hear them. And if you want to go get my cheat sheet for your whole complete 3 secrets of how to love yourself slim and live life free of emotional eating, go to realandslim.com. I've got the cheat sheet. It's all in a nutshell. I've got an invitation to join my Real and Slim tribe, which is a free thing that I do for you. There's a link here on this YouTube channel somewhere, like over here somewhere. And I invite you to go ahead and join that today. And let's get you started. See you later.